Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at page 27, and this is of Standard of Excellence Book 1. This is just a little off the top. We're using natural slurs from A flat to E flat. At the end of the third measure into the fourth, we're doing G's to D's. And then in the second line, you can do a natural slur from F to C in sixth, or F to C using your trigger. But if you do F to C from first to sixth, you want to use a to-do for that. And that particular number, it's a lot of clarinet work on it. They're going from B flats to their high Ds and working on jumping over the break and getting used to that. So that's a new technique for them. And let's move on. So looking at number 19 now. This is a duet. We're going to go at about 75 beats per minute. Watch your key signature for your A flats in third on the second line. And good counting on the whole notes on the first line. I'm going to do parts A and B, and then I will combine them together. Now part A, thinking eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And as you go through it, and 2 and 3 and and we're looking at 120, Home on the Range. All right, and next coming up we have The Conquering Hero. This is a duet. And 1, 2, that tempo, and here we go. And on to part B. Right, so you're looking at Go for Excellence number 122. All notes are natural, so watch those second position E naturals as you go through. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.